Hello CA aspirants, welcome back to my channel. So this is YAKSHIT JAIN. I scored 345 out of 400 in my June 24 CA foundation attempt, and in this video I'll be sharing the paper presentation tips for accountancy paper 1 and business laws paper 2. Starting this video with the most important point that you must have already seen the certified copies video uploaded on my YouTube channel. If not, then please do check it out at right now. And starting the video, and while going through the certified copies, you must have noticed that my handwriting was not so good, and it is not so good even today. And the presentation was also not up to the mark, but still I managed to score 86 in accounts and 77 in law out of 100 each. So yeah, I would like to clear this out that in CA, in ICI exams at all levels, CA Foundation, CA Intern, CA Final, handwriting and presentation doesn't carry much marks. All that matters is the content and the quality of the content which you are writing in your answers. So yeah, starting with the video, accountancy paper presentation. So for the question number one, that is true or false, all I would say is that don't write the words too close to each other, and पूरा एकदम space use करके आप लिखो answers. True लिखने के बाद में एक line छोड़ो and then write the reason. I almost use half page for each true or false, and I managed to score 9 out of no sorry 10 out of 12. 2 marks was cut because of the wrong answer. And for theory questions and for accounts, I would say that presentation matters, but अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है तो फिर इतना ध्यान मत देना. Focus more on completing the paper on time, because if you couldn't attempt 100 marks of paper, you would not be evaluated out of 100 marks. And presentation में यही है. Okay, you can use the margins. I use the margins because ICA exam paper is not so thick, so you have to manage all accounts should fit within that paper, so you can use the margins. And yeah, for accounts there is not much presentation tips which is required. Just solve normally, which how you practice, how you solve in your notebooks. And more, now starting with the paper presentation, which is most important. And starting this point with the case law questions, case study based questions. So what I used to do was I used to divide my answer into three paragraphs, which almost everybody does. First is the provision, in which I stated the section number and the act applicable. After writing the provision, and provision में आप लाइन छोड़ छोड़ के लिखो. एक पैराग्राफ खत्म हुआ फिर दूसरा का पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट करो. पूरा एक साथ मत लिखो, तो चेक करने में बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. राइट इट इन पॉइंटर्स फॉर्म और पैराग्राफ फॉर्म्स. आफ्टर डूइंग द प्रोविजंस पार्ट, आई रोट द फैक्ट्स क्वेश्चन से उठा के लिख दिया था मैंने. आई डेंट फ्रेम्ड एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. क्वेश्चन से लिखा. इनफैक्ट आई omitted some part of the question. Facts एकदम cut short में लिखा. And for the conclusion must be in detail, because examiners mostly check the provision and directly jump to the conclusion. So the conclusion must be detailed. It should start from these words as per the provisions mentioned above. The so conclusion can be drawn or made up. So yeah, conclusion must be very good, and it should be up to the mark. And focus more on the provision and conclusion. Facts में time waste मत करो. For the direct question, I would say underline the head points. And underlining the head points, you should also write the direct questions in pointers form. कुछ भी आप एक ऐसे जैसा मत लिखो, because check करने में easy difficult पड़ेगा. And talking about the highlighting part of keywords, yes, I did highlight a few keywords in few questions only because I didn't had time. I had to attempt full paper, and even I took 6 supplements because my handwriting is not that good. So yeah, even in law paper you can check my handwriting was not very good, but still I scored 77. तो ये myth तो निकाल दो कि मेरी handwriting गंदी है तो मेरे को marks कम आएंगे, चलेगा. but content पे focus करो. and टू फिंगर स्पेस मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि ऐसा स्पेस पूरा पेपर यूज़ करके लिखो. एंड या तो आपको पेपर प्रेजेंटेशन का कुछ इतना इशू नहीं आना चाहिए. सो दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो, एंड कीप स्टडिंग एंड डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, and restrict the use of social media. I know I'm making this video, but still, yeah, so all the best. You'll crack CA foundation definitely, and I want each one of you to comment, I'll crack CA foundation and this is gonna be my last attempt. Thank you. Bye.